Fish and Ski Marine. Finna get some service done to the boat, y'all. Just pulling up. Gotta get the service done on my boat. Gotta take care of everything. We're here, y'all. Alright, we just made it. So like I said, now I'm finna drop the boat and get my water pump changed. I believe that's what I'm getting done today. So y'all come along for the ride. So as soon as they pull me in, they jump on me. That's one thing I like about coming out here, getting the boat service at Fish and Ski, and you'll like it too, trust me. They get you in and get you out. They value your time. They're not just gonna have you sitting around for weeks and months waiting on your boat to get serviced, you know. You have to make an appointment though, you just can't show up. You have to make an appointment. And when you have that appointment, that gets you to the front of the line. And that's how they're able to get you in and out. So, yeah. So we got the Lamborghini lawn disconnected, y'all. So I'm gonna pull it to the side so when they get here, they can pull their tractor up and come get it. All right, y'all stay with me. Time to get the motor service, y'all. 200 Merc, gotta keep it running good, y'all. Gotta keep it running good. So, let's get it on. Let me put the keys in there.
How you been?
Doing good. How about yourself?
I'm making it.
Yes, sir.
That time of year, huh?
That time of year. Yes, sir. Every time you see me, it's that time of year.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes, sir. My mechanic, Billy, y'all. So anytime you bring your boat down here to get service at Fish and Ski Marine, it's gonna be Billy doing it.
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah. So I forgot exactly what I'm getting done. I know it's the oil change and all that. And I think you said last time, matter of fact, let me get my phone. I think you said last time it's gonna be the water pump or impeller or something like that. I don't know. I gotta go get my phone and see.
Yeah, 3 years or $300.
3 years?
Yeah.
What needs to be changed out every 3 years?
Impeller.
The impeller?
Water pump. Yeah.
Water pump, okay.
Yeah.
The impeller, the oil change what I'm getting, impeller, and water pump. That's what I'm getting changed out. 3-year service, right, Mr. Billy?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what I have on my Mercury, y'all, is called VesselView. I bought it off of Amazon, and Mr. Billy, y'all met Mr. Billy earlier. He's going in to get ready. He's gonna go get the tractor and come get my boat. The VesselView, it plugs into your motor, and it tells you how many hours you have on your motor and all of that. And I downloaded the app on my phone, and as you can see, yeah, I'm zeroed out, so it was time. My engine hours, I have 336.9, so it's time for a 300-hour maintenance on the Merc. On 200 Merc, we got to keep that old girl running good. So like I said, the impeller, oil change, spark plugs, and yeah. So she's getting the whole works. She gonna get made up, you know. So we're gonna put her in the shop, and they're gonna get it nice and pretty, y'all. And she's running fine. But as y'all see, yeah, it was definitely time for me to come. I'm zeroed out on everything. Fuel filter, spark plugs, thermostat, gear case, lube. So it was time. So, and that's one other good thing. What I do, I set a reminder on my phone to let me know when it's time to do all of this. And I also keep up again with my hours on my VesselView by using the app on my phone. The VesselView by Mercury, y'all. So that's what we got. So y'all stay tuned. So I think Mr. Billy said it's gonna take about 3 to 4 hours. So yeah. Alright. Get up here. Watch everything. Go look at some boats while I'm here too, you know. I ain't gonna trade her in or nothing, but I'm gonna look at something else while I'm up here. A couple more years, maybe I'll trade her in, and don't know what I would get though, because I like the impact, y'all. I like my 2025 impact SS, so I don't know what I would get. But all right, y'all. I'll catch y'all here in a minute. This is a nice little boat here. It's real nice. Little center console. The camo. Boy, I bet that joker get hot. You won't touch that joker. What is this? This is an impact. This is an 1975 series impact. Hey, like I said, man, if y'all in the market for a boat, y'all come out here at Fish and Ski Marine in Sanger, Texas, and get them a chance to earn your business, man. You won't be disappointed. You won't be disappointed. Little crappie setup. It's the same setup I got. Ooh, this is nice. This is a minnow compartment, y'all. I like that. Then keep your minnows in there, your live bait. That's real nice. Alright, y'all. Just picked the boat up from service. Just like that, we're done. Back on the road. They always get me in and out. That's why I like coming here, y'all. Hey, like I always say, if you're in the market for a boat, hit up Fish and Ski Marine. Give them a chance to earn your business, alright? That's a Chris Graves. He's my salesman. Great guy. It's a great family to be a part of. So So everything's greased up and ready to go. Yep. All right. Straps tight. Everything's good. And the straps is tight. And that is it, man. Like I said, hey, check out Fish and Ski for all your marina needs, man. Everything. I'm gonna catch y'all later. All right.